Welcome back, Speezers. We're talking about finding the area of circles. So, to find the area of a circle, we need the radius. However, we're going to be following along to make sure we're practicing finding diameter and radius, because whenever we see a circle at this point, we should be looking at both. So let's see what it takes to find the area of circles. Our first step is going to be able to list our variables. Again, our variables are our radius and our diameter. So we go through, we saw we only had half, so we made it full. So half was 7, so full is 14. That means our radius is 7 and our diameter is 14. Moving on from there, the next thing we need to do is we need to substitute into the formula A equals pi r squared. So we're going to come up here and notice that r is 7. So that means we set A equal to pi times radius, or 7 squared. Lastly, we're going to go ahead and work on solving. Now we're actually going to solve this 3 different times. You'll see why. So the first time that we're solving it, we're going to say pi times 7 times 7. Because 7 squared means 7 times 7. Now 7 times 7 is 49. We leave that pi there because 49 times pi, it's 49 pi, and we get centimeters squared. Now this is an exact answer. If we were asked to estimate, there's 2 ways to estimate. Instead of pi, instead of 49 pi, we would substitute 3.14 in for pi. When we do that and multiply, we get 153.86 centimeters squared. Or, if we were estimating, we would take 49 times 22 over 7. Now that number is not just pulled out of thin air. If you take 22 divided by 7, the first 3 digits you get are 3.14. So it's kind of the same thing, but if you notice, when we did that, because 49 is a multiple of 7, they canceled out to leave 7 times 22, which is 154, which is a nice answer. So in this case, if I were working the problem and it said leave in terms of pi, I would have kept my exact answer. If they would have said to multiply out, then I would have used 22 over 7. Those are our best answers for this problem, because we end up with a decimal, which is not always the nicest, because depending on how many decimal places used, it can change your answer. If you got any questions, make sure you ask.